Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I'm out here today at the backup gun match once again. And today, I actually have legitimately a backup gun. This is a 25 Auto Le Français, made by Manu France, Saint-Étienne, and these were manufactured pre-World War I. I've got 7 rounds of 25 Auto in there, plus 1 additional round in the chamber. This is a tip-up barrel, obviously. So you don't actually have to rack the slide. You just load your magazine, and then put 1 more in the barrel, tip it down, and you're ready to go. Double action trigger, little tiny, tiny baby sights on there. But I've got a sneaky advantage here. This thing's actually remarkably accurate. It actually shoots to point of aim on those sights. So I should have a reasonably decent match today. Got 4 stages. Let's find out. So I got 7 in the magazine. Lock that in there. Number 8 right up the spout. And it's a double action pistol, so striker fired, so I don't need to run the slide, which is good because it's almost impossible to run the slide on this thing.
All right, well, if you're ready, give me a nod.
They're fun.
Yep.
Shooter is ready. Stand by.
KGB, bro.
No, it's...
No, KGB. They still come. Yeah. FSB is Russia.
Why? I thought everybody went on like a relatively PC.
He has my swing line.
Yes, man.
All right, if you're done, unload, show clear.
All right.
What's the score?
I cleaned both of
Yep,
those.
both of those are double tapped and good. That went down, so.
Once again, 8 rounds at a bug match. I hardly even know what to do with them.
Well, no offense,
So
but
the answer is shoot the steel multiple times because there's no way it's going down from 25 Auto.
All right.
you're probably
Shooters ready?
Ready?
Stand by. If finished, unload and show clear. Okay.
This is going to be an interesting one.
This is like backwards. Line is clear.
Let's take a look at the paper.
Line is clear. 18.
All right, so I got that one.
That's a 7.
Oh, that is as close as you can get without being a 7. That's a 6. Unless the judge wants to give me a 7.
I think that is touching that perf.
Oh, look!
He
at the
says
back.
7, we're good.
Look at the whoops! Look at the back. The black shows the perf.
Woo. Yeah, I told you this thing was accurate.
So that's stand by.
No, my mom said that means you're. That you're really what? Because I was carrying a gun. So the mom comes up to me and she's like,
If finished,
I am
unload
done.
and show clear.
The only way that I'm going to win that stage against my mortal enemy, the world's greatest Glock collector, or high point collector, is if I can make 3 clean headshots and not have to come back to any of the targets. So
Line is clear.
let's see if I did it. One clean headshot. 2 clean headshots. 3 not clean. Damn.
17. Right?
problem is they're discontinued, so they're expensive.
We got 3 steel on this stage, which is tricky for this little tiny, itty bitty, anemic little cartridge. But we'll try it.
Steel counters, please. Shooters ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
It stopped being super accurate. I have no idea where I was hitting. All right. So I got a good shot on this guy, and I deliberately fired twice into this one. So that's clean. but I managed to not hit the too big steel at all.
No, you hit this one at least once.
Yeah,
did I?
I did hit one.
3 times. And Larry's saying 3. I thought I heard at least 2. 3.
All right, I just didn't hear him myself.
And
There
then
was
I
a
heard-
deafening thunder of the 25 ACP going off.
Anything in the middle and 0. Okay, so 3 and 0 is what
So we're down.
judges.
All right, so that was actually more fun than I anticipated. When I took this out before the match to function check it and 0 it, well, check 0. I can't actually 0 it because the sights are not in any way adjustable. It was really surprising to me that it both ran perfectly and it actually appeared to be hitting right where the sights were. And I was able to do a lot better with it today than I have with a lot of guns that are actually bigger than this and a heck of a lot newer. One of the better performing super old pistols, especially as an actual tiny backup gun, not a service pistol that I did in this match. So that was pretty cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will follow up with a video on the history and the mechanics of these guys a little bit later. But wanted to bring this out and have some fun at the time. Thanks for watching.